This is how we remove hard water stains. First, spray the glass with soapy water. Next, we applied the pink stuff. If you've got mild hard water stains like we do here, this works great. Otherwise, you can also use Barkeeper's Friend or any toilet bowl cleaner that you'd find in the grocery store. Make sure you scrub that in with steel wool. 4 zeros is necessary to be small enough not to scratch the glass. We're in Texas and it gets pretty hot here in the summer, so we make sure to lubricate it with some extra soapy water and scrub it again with that steel wool to make sure it gets clean. After that, we begin removing it with a squeegee. Sometimes those hard water stains can be stubborn and we have to hit them one more time with some soap and steel wool. Not to worry, another coat usually does the trick. If your hard water spots are still remaining after this process and you want to take it to the next level, you may have to upgrade your detergent to something that's a little more aggressive. Be careful though, because those can definitely burn your skin. If you do that, make sure you get the correct protective gear to keep you safe from the harsh chemicals that you'll be using. Now we're just going to go over these windows one last time to make sure we get every last spot. If your hard water stain still persists after this process, you may need to upgrade your cleaning solution and get a more heavy-duty hard water stain remover. Be careful though, because you'll need to have the right protective gear to keep you safe as they can burn. Remember to wipe down the fringe really well so that none of it drips down the next time it rains, leaving smudges and drops on the glass. Now your glass should be sparkling by now. We like to add one extra step for ourselves, cleaning it with a water-fed bowl. That pure water makes sure there's no leftover residue from that soap, leaving a sparkling clear finish.